Mama, did we not agree on Saturday? Why are you disturbing me?
Let me... No.
Hello?
Barry.
Dozie? Dozie, how did you find my mother? Please don't harm her.
I want my child. That is all I want. And I mean it.
Calm down and listen to me first.
Please don't shoot me, please.
Well, you can go to hell if you don't want to listen to me.
Ah. I will go to hell with your mother. And I'll still come back for you. I mean every word of it. Every word of it!
Okay. Please. It's okay, please don't harm my mother, please. Your son is in safe hands. He's in South Africa. I will tell Maki to bring him to you. Please, don't harm my mother. Dozie?
I will still come back. Don't even try to escape because I will catch you. Barry, I will nip you in the bud.
Hello? Hello?
Please, my son, don't shoot me. Please, don't shoot me.
Hey fam.
You know where you are?
I'm sure you know where you are.
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.
Right here. You're watching Nollywood Pictures right here on YouTube for the best of African content and drama.
Nollywood Pictures TV. Nollywood Pictures TV.
My name is Frederick Leonard and I'm wishing you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. God bless you. I love you all.